If you are trying to link your bank account to PayPal but facing issues, this guide will help you understand the common problems and how to fix them in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Many users encounter errors during linking, but most of them can be resolved if you follow the correct steps. In this video, I'll walk you through everything so you can fix the problem without confusion. First, open the PayPal app or website and sign into your account using your email and password. Go to the Wallet section and try linking your bank account again. Make sure you are entering the correct routing number and account number. Even a small mistake can cause the linking process to fail. Another common issue is name mismatch. Ensure that the name on your PayPal account matches exactly with your bank account name. If there is any difference, update your PayPal profile or contact support to correct it. Sometimes, your bank may not support linking with PayPal or may block the request for security reasons. In this case, contact your bank and confirm whether they allow PayPal connections. If needed, ask them to enable online transactions. If your bank account was previously linked to another PayPal account, you may not be able to use it again immediately. Try removing it from the old account or use a different bank account. Also, check if PayPal is asking for verification through micro deposits. If yes, wait for the deposits, check your bank statement, and enter the exact amounts to complete the process. If none of these steps work, clear your browser cache or try using a different device. You can also contact PayPal support directly for assistance. In short, check your details, match your name, confirm bank support, and complete verification to fix bank linking issues in PayPal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.